Do you feel overwhelmed by all of your kids' beautiful, gorgeous artwork? All of those beautiful works of art are now all over your fridge, piled on the countertop, and clogging up desk drawers? Here's the solution. Create a transient art gallery. Invest in a corkboard strip and keep the best art of the week on display. When new art comes in, ask your child to rotate the old pieces with the new favorites. This way your display is always fresh and exciting to view. Once the art's taken off the board, your child gets to choose whether to keep it and add it to a large bound scrapbook or to throw it away. You will be surprised by the lack of attachment your child has to the stuff. And this practice helps you learn to focus on what is happening now in your child's development, not where he was last spring. Are you serious about getting your home organized? If so, click the link and download your free report and free video training, 6 Steps to Organize Your Amazing Home. I guarantee you'll love it and you'll make progress towards clearing your clutter.